back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is the January Glossybox, the first Glossybox of this year, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Sorry this is up at the end of January. I've had so much going on. I'm starting a new job at the 1st of February, so I'm obviously leaving my current job. There's just so much going on, plus loads of organisations we've got to sort out, the room we've got to finish off, so a lot has happened. So sorry that this video is at the end of January, but I will try and put it in the right order, if that makes any sense. So when they arrive, try and upload them as soon as I can for you guys. Better late than never, I always say. So if you want to see what's in this month's Glossybox, then please keep watching. Just quickly, if you are new to my channel and you don't know what Glossybox is, everything will be listed in the description box below for you guys anyway, so if you need any information, then it will be listed in the description box, so head over there to find out more information. But I'm just going to tell you quickly about Glossybox. So Glossybox is a subscription service which you can choose the plan that suits you. You can cancel it at any time as well, and if you are subscribed to Glossybox, you get one of these beautiful pink boxes delivered to your door every month. Like I said, you can cancel at any time if you are not interested anymore, but there is benefits with Glossybox as well. If you are subscribed to Glossybox, then you get like little surveys about the month, about the boxes, about the products inside. You do little surveys, you earn glossy credits. Now, the glossy credits you can either save up and spend on Look Fantastic, or you can save it up for the limited edition boxes that Glossybox do at the every month. So every month they do limited edition boxes, and they all have different ones. So I think one of them was LMS last year. They had so many different boxes. It's unbelievable and unreal. They are absolutely incredible, and I love them hand on heart. Also, you can actually save the glossy credits for the advent calendar. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, and like I said, if you are new to the Glossybox team, then you guys don't know about the advent calendar. Glossybox do a beautiful advent calendar at the end of the year. If you want to see what kind of products that they are inside an advent calendar, or what the advent calendar looks like, then head over to my previous videos. I have done 2 videos about the advent calendar of Glossybox now, so head over to my channel, look through the videos. I have done 2 videos about the advent calendars. Here's all the information that you guys were going to know about Glossybox. If you do need any more information, then please let me know. Like I said, everything you need to know is in the description box below for you guys. So let's get on to showing you this month's box. Like I said, if you are new to Glossybox, you guys would not know, but they come perfectly gift wrapped like this. And yes, I have already had a peek as always, and without trying to tip everything out, let's show you one by one what the products are. So the first product inside this month's box is this. So this is the Glow On Fifth Beauty Lip Dew Tinted Lip Balm. Now, I've got loads of lip balms because I got loads for Christmas. Ooh, that looks so cute. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. Let me turn off my ring light for a second so you guys can see. But that's what it looks like. What it smells like. Let's have a quick... Oh, it's like pink gel. Oh, that smells incredible. Mmm. Oh my god, that smells incredible. Sorry guys, just... Oh my god. I love a good lip balm that tastes really, really nice. So yeah, I have that, which I'm so excited for. That actually does taste really, really nice. Then the next one is this. So this is the Mud Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask. Now, the last time I said this, I got all tongue-tied, so I was trying to explain the other half of what it is. So this is a double cleansing mask. This is a 3-in-1 formula, deep cleansing, pore refining, restoring, nourishing, and hydrating mask. Again, I might have to turn my ring light off for a second just to show you the products, but that's what it looks like. And as it's a cleansing balm, oh, trying to squeeze it out, and it's got that little protecting thing on. I'll probably end up using it sometime or another, but basically this month's box is like a self-care box, if that's what you kind of would call it. Next I have is this. Again, I will turn my ring light off so you guys can kind of see. So this is the Cleansing Balm Cocoa and Coconut Superfoods Facial Cleansing Balm. I've never had a cleansing balm before. I've had a cleansing, now this is going to sound weird, I've had a cleansing balm like in a jar form, like the LMS cleansing balm. I think guys would have seen in months of videos, but I've never actually had a cleansing balm before, if that kind of makes sense. It probably doesn't, but it made sense in my head anyway. Oh, that smells unreal. Oh, cocoa and coconut superfood. Oh, now I do love a good coconut. Smelling that now, I just want to go and wash my face like 20 times a day. Love that. Again, I'm going to turn my ring light off for a second so you guys can see. Like, just in case you guys are interested in purchasing one from yourself, I think you can get all of these products from Look Fantastic website. So if you typed in Look Fantastic and you typed in that, then I'm hoping that they can help you with it. But this smells incredible. This smells absolutely insane. So if you are a lover of coconut just like me, then you guys are gonna absolutely in love with this. Just two more products to show you guys. The second to last one is this. So this is the E-Spotlight Highlighter Pencil Crayon in the shade Champagne. Now I will turn the ring light off so you guys can see, because yeah, you guys ain't gonna pick that up. You guys can probably see the colour on the end of the pencil. So this is basically the highlighter pencil, but I'm hoping you guys can actually see that shade. It looks really lovely. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a lovely colour as well. It's like the champagne colour. It's so perfect as well. Love a good, like, really nice colour for a highlighter. I think it makes your face pop even more. Last but no means least, I have is this. So when I did actually open this box, I saw this and I was so tempted to use it, because this is the kind of thing that I really need right now. So this is the Nails Ink Nail Polish. So this is the Gel Rehab Damaged Nails Recovery by Nails Ink London, and this is the Gel Rehab one. Again, I will turn off my ring light in a minute just so I can show you guys. But it is a, basically, if you don't know what this is, it basically protects and repair your nails. So if you're the kind of person that loves having long nails or loves having your nails done, looking really nice, this repairs your nails, so it keeps the nails stronger, so they don't go so weak and so breaky, which is actually ideal for me, because the job I'm still in at the moment, I'm dealing with boxes all the time and my nails just break. You can probably tell I haven't got that many long nails anymore, but my nails just break so easy with my job. Hopefully they won't be easy to break in my new job, but just to show you guys, so this is the Gel Rehab Repair Nail Polish, and I will actually show you. It's like a white clear one. Like I said, if you guys have very weak nails, then this will kind of protect your nails, and it actually says it on the actual front. It says Gel Rehab Damaged Nails, so it protects your nails. Like, look, excuse the state of my nails right now. I've obviously just finished work, and the job I'm in at the moment, I'm not allowed to wear nail varnish, so please look in the state of them. They need a good TLC in. But my new job, I can wear like nails, I can wear gel nails, I can wear false eyelashes, the lot. so they will be painted Tuesday after work, because that's my last day on Tuesday. But yeah, this is the repair and damage for nails. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Like I said, everything about Glossyboxes will be in the description box below for you guys. Their website, the subscription service. If you need to know more about Glossybox, then please do not hesitate to message me, comment, however you want to let me know. I leave my Instagram handle in the description box below as well. Also my other social medias if you guys are interested. I don't think there's anything else I've got to update you on at this moment in time, but like I said, I love Glossyboxes from the hand of my heart. I absolutely love them. You literally get 5 products every month. There's products in there you've heard of, products in there you've never even heard of, products in there that you've always wanted to try but never actually had the courage to go out and buy them. So I personally think Glossyboxes are amazing for their price, because it makes you test out products you've never even heard of before. Like, I've never even heard of E-Cooking or Ico or Muddy Mask. I never even heard of any of them brands until I started subscribing to Glossybox. They are a subscription service, so you can cancel at any time. It's not a fixed contract. You can cancel anytime you like. So if you purchase one, say for February, and you get the box and you're not very interested anymore, you can cancel the next month's box. So without further ado, I'm going to love you and leave you right here, because I think I've rambled on far too much. So if you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe wherever you are. I love you guys.